From pole down towards the season braking zone, 5 lights ahead of the drivers. It's Lisa and Lance Stroll's car, and we have 19 on the grid, then one in the pit lane. It's Lisa.
Unstoppable journeys are everywhere. We're not talking about famous victories or world records. We're talking about everyday journeys. Your small ones and your big ones. From keeping an entire fleet moving on land or at sea, to readying your customers for the road ahead. At Gulf, we're always finding ways to support life's unstoppable journeys. Gulf, together we're unstoppable.
All right, good evening everyone. Jongoy here. Medyo blurry ako da. So wait, camera is not, there we go. Good evening everyone. Andy is not yet in his studio or home, but of course, he is trying to catch up. And good evening, gents. Yamboy and Miles is here. Yam, good evening. Sige, inom ka muna. Miles na muna, Miles.
Sige.
All right, Miles, good evening.
Okay, good evening, Internet. Hello, YouTube. Hello, Facebook. Welcome to another episode of the Purple Sector, where we're going to discuss the recently concluded Chinese Grand Prix. Okay,
Chinese Grand Prix. Yeah.
Nice to be back. I was absent the previous episode. Had some important matters to attend to. But right now, we're here. And once again, welcome to everyone. Welcome to the show. And once again, don't forget to comment.
Of course.
Down below, whether you're watching in Facebook or in YouTube.
Yep.
And kung may tanong, reaction, or anything, and we'll tackle it one by one later.
Yep. We're going to do that one. And of course, Yam, good evening.
Yes, hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of the Purple Sector. Tonight, we will be discussing the recently concluded Chinese Grand Prix. The first sprint of the season. So, medyo mahaba yung presentation natin. Pero
medyo
kaya...
Yeah.
Oo. Ano lang natin. Step by step tayo. One step at a time.
Yeah. But it's interesting. There are lots of stuff happened during the race. So...
Yeah. Pace nung cars and then the track itself, no? Matagal-tagal din silang hindi nakabisita, so a lot of drivers were caught by surprise. So, yun. Yan na natin.
Yun.
I-discuss natin.
And before that one, gents, we have of course, the F1 PH live viewing community. They never stop giving our fellow F1 enthusiasts or fans here in the Philippines a live viewing experience. And of course, like I mentioned, ito po yung we are in partnership with this group and we are very happy to be in part of this one. And again, gaya ng sinabi ko or gaya ng sinabi namin last time that every time they have this, it is for a cause. So there is a beneficiary which is the Unang Hakbang. So Yam, let's check out their photos. So I think this is the bulk of the live viewing. Ayun, 'di ba? Look at that one. You get a chance to win authentic F1 merch, and everybody is glad and happy, and that's why I'm wearing McLaren right now because I'm happy McLaren is in the podium right there. So I guess some of those guys are McLaren fans as well. And ayun, Sainz. We have a Sainz T-shirt right there. So Ferrari. Yes. So yun, guys. So we're also gonna help, spread out the different venues for this F1 live viewing. So it's now nationwide. So I think what we are watching right now is basically in Luzon, Metro Manila. I'm not quite sure kung saan to. Maybe Phil, if he's watching right now, could give us what are these photos right here, kung anong mga venues na ito. So there we go. So this is the Chinese Grand Prix watch party. So it's fun. So speaking of fun, I'm also gonna share our first live viewing party. So hindi lang ganun kadami because we're kind of late on announcing that one right there. So but it was fun because medyo lang, puro Ferrari fans yung pumunta, no? So ngayon, of course, so we are at the basement. So the basement is in the south side of Davao City. So it's a speakeasy bar. And of course, we have this giveaways that we're gonna give out to all of the lucky customers who wanted to watch F1 in Davao City. So ito po yung mga pinabigay namin during that day. And of course, we are also part of the F1 PH live viewing community, wherein proceeds of this watch party will go as well to Unang Hakbang. So we are also in partnership with Heineken. So Heineken was there. They also gave out some prizes to So there we go. So actually the basement, a little part of the basement is Barberohan. So fellow fans on a Sunday afternoon or Sunday night, kinuha nila yung kumbaga nag-take advantage sila na sige, magpagupit ako while watching F1 with a cold one in my hand. So what a way to watch. So majority of these people are Ferrari fans. So there you go. These ladies right here are one of the first one to arrive. So kaya nag-take kami ng photo. So they are also Ferrari fans, and I think both of them won that night. So here are the winners right here who joined us during that night. So maraming salamat. Vic Robert Parr won the Williams Racing Cup. So congratulations to Vic Robert Parr. And this is May Amor Pala, I think. So she won the Pirelli Cup, and of course the other Ferrari fan as well who won the Williams Authentic Jessa Loage. There you go. So there we go. So again, F1 live viewing community watch party where I think there are 11 or 12 more races coming right up. So abang-abangan po natin. Hindi lang po ngayong next weekend, which is Miami. So Miami is 3 a.m. Tama ba?
4 a.m. 4 a.m.
a.m.
time.
So
yeah.
For sure, everyone. There's no bar who's gonna accommodate us during those times. So unfortunately, the next one would be in Italy, which is the Emilia-Romagna GP. So that is, I think that's not the Italian Grand Prix, right? Tama ba, Miles? Hindi yan Italian Grand Prix, no?
Hindi pa.
That will be on May 19. So abang-abangan po natin. Okay, before we proceed to Yamboy, there we go. Andrew, there we go. Thank you. Pumili Jong ng photo. Galing ni Okay, Joey Barcelona, good evening sa iyo dyan. Si Andy nasa duty pa, so he's still in the hospital working. So I think he's already on his way back, hopefully. Carlos, good evening. Good evening mga F1 Titos. There you go. Let's check it out. Carl Conrad Calora, is F1 diecast contest ongoing pa rin? Yam, pwede natin sagutin
Yes,
ito?
yes.
Yes.
We
there
are
you
still,
go.
keep sending your entries
Yes.
para makapili tayo ng magandang photo.
Ayun. Jasem Mariano, good evening sa iyo dyan. Phil, welcome
Phil
Phil.
Gonzalez.
Thank you
Yes,
so much
good
for
evening.
joining, Phil. There we go. So, Mayor Azarcon, hindi mo pa kami tinitext sa ano mo, sa address mo. Nandito pa yung mga premyo mo. Ayun. Alright, so, it's gonna be a long night since that there is sprint, there is a shootout. Tama ba? May shootout ba? Is there a shootout?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's also a shootout. So, welcome to Yamnalysis of your Chinese Grand Prix.
Yes, hi. Wait, Okay. So, eto na nga, Formula 1 Lenovo Chinese Grand Prix 2024. You know, since Friday, I was watching sa office. Kasi Friday pa lang, may qualifying for the sprint. Tapos Saturday, may office din kami. And then may napanood din namin ang sprint. Kasi the sprint was in the morning. And then in the afternoon was the qualifying for the race. And then thankfully wala nang office pag linggo. So we enjoyed the race at home. I was not able to join the live viewing of Davao City kasi not feeling well pa. Pero since nagkaroon nga ng F1, parang gumaling yata tayo. Gumaling yung... Alright, so Friday sprint qualifying. Dito nainis ako dito kasi may pumasok sa office namin na nagbebenta ng ng maruya. Sabi ko, no, thank you. Tapos nagkulit pa, tapos may mga dumudulas na. Ay, nako, sayang. Anyway, Friday sprint qualifying. Ito na nga, this was the first time na nagkaroon ng brush fire. Kasi di ba, pag nakikita natin yung mga F1 cars, pag masyado na silang madiin sa kalye, there are sparks flying. So kaya nasunog. Hindi nila alam kung bakit, pero actually alam natin kung bakit ganito to.
Bakit?
Kasi the grass is made in China. Anyway, I love you, China. So, first group to be eliminated on the sprint, we have Gasly, Ocon, Albon, Tsunoda, and Sargent. So, 2 Alpines, 2 Williams, and too bad for the Japanese guy, Yuki Tsunoda, na eliminate din siya sa sprint qualifying 1.
Yep.
And then next to be eliminated for sprint qualifying, we have Russell, Mercedes, we have Magnussen, Hülkenberg, Daniel Ricciardo, and Lance Stroll. And dito na nga pumasok yung nagbebenta ng turon. Tapos ito dumudulas na. 'Di ba? Hindi ko na panood live, sa replay ko na panood, kaya manang next time Okay, so ito dumulas si Charles Leclerc kasi umulan.
Yeah, the weather
Charles
was
Leclerc,
really, the weather was really
buti
bad.
na lang hanggang Friday lang yung ulan, and then the rest of the days okay na. So this one is first na nag-slide is si Charles Leclerc, and next ito din si Max Verstappen, dumulas din siya, and then may isa pa dito sa last turn, dumiretso siya dito sa gravel muna, so na-delete yung mga time niya, kaya nahirapan siya dito sa sprint qualifying because of the weather. And meron daw kasing in-spray na coating dito sa bagong newly laid anong tawag nito?
Track.
Newly laid asphalt kasi.
Yeah, asphalt,
Newly laid
yeah.
track. Meron silang parang coating na nilagay na dali ha.
Si Manang
Meron
yan.
silang coating na
Si Manang yan tumatawag
Dahil lang.
sa'yo.
Yam. Ganito na lang.
Oh,
Ang race.
meron maraming
ang race
tumatawag kasi baka nag-react sila dun sa China ko.
Baka Chinese embassy na yan. Yam, ganito na lang.
Yeah.
The racetrack.
Actually, ang sa racetrack.
Since the racetrack was not used for quite some time in China
Yeah.
for F1, yun na nga, nagtataka sila, the track wasn't really, anong tawag niyan, walang bagong asphalt na overlay. Okay, they only painted it. So it was that substance. It was that substance.
Yung
that
ano,
they painted it over.
may coating talaga, di ba?
Parang,
So kaya yung dumulas. Kaya hindi natiis nung hindi natiis nung
made in
intermediate
China.
tires.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Galing na rin China.
Actually,
Saglit.
the people calling me actually Chinese yung family name.
Ano? Yam. China doing Chinese stuff. So,
Kaya nga eh.
sorry. Just a joke, ha? Okay.
All right. So ito,
Okay.
ang world champion natin si Max Verstappen dumalas twice. And then may isang dulas pa dito. I-zoom ko lang ha. Yan. Lando Norris, he was on the last turn of his flying lap, tapos lumampas siya sa racetrack. So supposed to be deleted yung time niya from this, and yung susunod na qualifying run niya dapat deleted din. Kaya dito yan. This was his second attempt, yung second attempt niya from here, no? So from here lumampas siya. Ang ginawa niya, nag-flying lap ulit siya dito. Hindi counted itong time niya dito. So, nag-flying lap ulit siya dito. And this was his time. Yan yung second attempt niya. And then, biglang nawala yung oras niya because his time was deleted. Because ang rule kasi is, if sa last turn, doing your flying lap, if sa last turn lumampas ka, so, yung time mo beforehand and yung time mo after dapat deleted. Pero ang explanation kung bakit na-reinstate yung time ni Norris is that he did not gain any speed or he did not gain a lasting advantage because of this run right here. No? Actually bumagal pa nga siya, bumagal pa siya dito. Kaya the FIA decided to reinstate his time and giving him the P1 for the sprint qualifying. All right? So I hope that's clear na it was a case-to-case basis for the FIA, for the stewards, kasi nakita naman nila dun sa telemetry, nakita din nila dun sa onboard ni Lando na hindi naman siya bumilis. And also Toto Wolff agreed na hindi naman supposed to be siya bumilis nung na lumampas siya sa racetrack, kaya okay lang sa kanya na i-reinstate yung time ni Lando Norris for the sprint qualifying. All right? And then right here nakalagay race control, car number 4, time of 1 minute 57 seconds and 9.94 will be reinstated. That's why Lando Norris had the P1 for the sprint qualifying. Yan. Top 10 natin, Lando Norris, Lewis Hamilton, Fernando Alonso, Max Verstappen on number 4 kasi nga hirap na hirap siya, madulas, may coating, wala pa lang bagong asphalt kundi parang na floor wax lang talaga nila. Tapos Sergio Perez, Carlos Sainz, Sergio Perez, Charles Leclerc, Oscar Piastri, Valtteri Bottas, and Zhou Guanyu. Alright, so before we go to the Saturday Sprint, Jong, baka meron pang mga comments dyan na hindi pa natin nabasa.
Yeah, ito. Carl
Angel.
Angelo. Impressive run qualifying ni Lando. Yep. So, Carl Conrad, China racetrack so cheap. Okay. Joey Barcelona, China coating kaya madulas. Yep. Replying to Sabi, we are checking ulit ang linyahan. Anong linyahan ito? Teka, alamin natin to. Wait. There we go. Next, Carl, made in na nga po kasi yan. Yeah, ganun talaga, Carlos. Grass fire and practice one. Yep. Justin Villalon, made in China. Grass kasi. Yep, there we go.
Mayor Asarcon harsh.
Yeah, okay.
Joke lang yun, joke.
Joke lang yun. We're just, we're just
Oh,
having
okay.
fun right here. But yeah, before we proceed, I forgot to mention that we're giving out the Purple Sector Cup. There we go for the third,
Okay.
for the first question, or for the third question number. First question. For the second question, we're giving out the Pirelli Podium Caps, and of course, for the final question, authentic Williams, Golf Williams polo shirt like Miles is wearing. This is a what do you call this? Dry fit. So it's dry fit. Tapos polo shirt. There we go. Okay. So wala pa rin si Andy. Let's go to Saturday. Sprint.
All right.
Right.
Saturday sprint. Okay, so here we see Lando Norris on P1 and Lewis Hamilton on P2. Pero maganda ang launch ni Lewis Hamilton dito, kaya pagdating dito sa first turn, medyo nauna yung ilong ni Lewis Hamilton. So he took the inner part of the turn, and then Lando Norris pinilit pa din niya. Makita natin dito, ayan, nauuna na si Lewis Hamilton, and then pinilit pa din niya na mag side to side hanggang okay, right here, aminado si Lando na mali niya kasi he tried to push and he tried to go wheel to wheel battle with Lewis Hamilton. However, tingin talaga niya medyo mali yung action niya. Sana hinintay na lang niya, nagminor na lang siya, tapos singit siya sa 2. Anyway, after the first lap, open na yung DRS niya, and he knows that his car is superior than the Mercedes. So dito napunta tuloy siya sa he was outside the racetrack, and then he rejoined at P6, P5 or P6. So sayang yung run ni Lando. Panahon na sana niya to have a podium kahit hindi sa race, kahit man lang sa sprint, just like Oscar Piastri, di ba? So ito, aminado siya, mali niya. Kaya dito, we see Lewis Hamilton is chased by Manong Fernando Alonso, and lurking behind is the current world champion Max Verstappen. So here makikita natin the top three cars are all world champions, no? Ito dito din. Pero Manong Alonso's pace was really good. Hindi masyadong naka-arte, hindi masyadong naka-increase ng gap si Lewis Hamilton with Manong Alonso, pero you see that both Red Bulls here are chasing din, no? Meron din silang maganda din yung pace nila para mahabol itong dalawa na nangunguna. Ito na nga, we can see here yung tatlong world champion, and then hindi magkakalayo masyado yung gap ng mga kotse. That's how this Chinese racetrack is. Maganda, maraming overtaking opportunities, and then hindi masyado ganun kalayo yung mga kotse. Maganda yung track actually. I enjoyed it. Masyadong technical, and surprisingly, it's easier to overtake. And eto na nga, the attack of Max Verstappen. Una niyang tinira is si Manong Alonso. Yan, na-overtake niya. And then, dito we can see the radio from the engineer of Lewis Hamilton. Sabi niya, Lewis, Verstappen, the car behind, 41.1.
Dami
Sabi ni
kinakatay.
Idol,
Leave it to me.
sabi ni Idol, leave me to it, man. I can see him.
Nako.
Oh,
But,
yeah.
Yam,
Actually,
saglit.
bye.
Ah,
Sige.
welcome mo lang si Andy. There we go.
Andy, all right. Thank you very much for joining us.
Okay. Yam,
Yeah.
patuloy.
Sige, bye. Kung ako naman si Luis, bye, syempre, di ba, parang unnecessary call from the engineer ba? Alam mo na dito, di ba, you're doing the best you can, you're concentrating on your driving, tapos biglang nagkaroon ng message na akala mo may problema sa kotse, pero yun pala, sasabihin lang na, huy, nahabol ka na ni Luis, ganun ba? So,
Ari,
syempre,
ano?
nainis din si...
Salt
hinahabol
in the
ka na ni
wound.
Max.
Salt in the wound.
Yeah. Alam mo yun, he was concentrating on his run. Kaya after this, 'di ba, nagkaroon siya ng lock up. So yung gap ni Hamilton na mga 1+ seconds pa sana, bigla na lang naging 0.548 kasi nag-lock up nga siya sa isang turn. Kaya yun, Max was able to shorten the gap from between them, and yun na nga, eto dito, lap 9 of 19, Max was able to overtake Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah.
And this is the other highlight of the sprint, no? We see the two Spaniards battling it out. Actually, Manong Alonso is first, tapos pilit siyang hinahabol ni Carlos Sainz. Ganda ng pace ng kotse ni Carlos dito kasi pinahirapan niya si Checo eh. Checo wasn't able to chase him, wasn't able to shorten the gap between them. So dito, nakita na ni Checo, uy, parang Carlos Sainz is wants to do something with Manong Alonso, and alam din ni Checo na kung paano, more or less, paano magmaneho and paano magdepensa si Alonso. That's why he is getting ready for his opportunistic move. So, right here, ayan, kita na natin, iba yung line na kinuha ni Manong, iba yung line na kinuha ni Sainz. So, pagdating dito sa unahan, ayan yung habulan nila, and eventually, Carlos Sainz was able to overtake Alonso. Pero, kaya pa habulin ni Alonso kasi hindi pa nakaarte masyado yung kotse ni Carlos, kaya hinabol pa ni Alonso dito, hinabol pa niya. So papunta na ito sa turn na ito, kaya si Checo is getting ready. Pagdating dito sa turn na ito, nagkaroon sila ng konting contact.
Thank you.
Kaya si Carlos si Carlos
Checo,
napunta
thank
dito.
you.
So it's like Silverstone, di ba? Goes through Hamilton, di ba? Yun yung
Yeah,
sinisigaw
yeah,
lagi ni Crofty. Yeah.
Yeah, true goes
So,
Hamilton,
ganun
di ba?
Through goes Hamilton. And then, alam naman natin na overtake din siya ni Checo after. Anyway, dito, this is the opportunistic move na sinasabi ko kanina. Very tactical ang ginawa ni Checo dito. Tinignan lang talaga niyo yung dalawang naghahabulan. Meron talagang problema dito. So, these two guys right here wasn't able to check out Checo kung how near or gaano kalayo or gaano kaganda na yung placing ni Checo. Kasi these two are very busy battling out, racing wheel to wheel. Kaya yun, naunahan silang dalawa ni Checo. So Checo had a double overtake pagdating dito sa sistema na to take P3 for the sprint, no? And eto pa, dito medyo nainis si Charles Leclerc kasi masyado siyang naharas. I think that's the word. Masyado siyang naharas ng teammate niya dito. Charles had a good pace pero ayaw patalo ni Carlos Sainz, kaya dito nag-wheel to wheel pa sila dito. Buti na lang walang damage nangyari, kung di baka double DNF itong Scarlet Cars na ito. So pagdating dito finally or eventually, Charles Leclerc was able to overtake his teammate Carlos Sainz. And we see here checkered flag taken by the world champion next to him, 12.734 seconds after Lewis Hamilton took the checkered flag, and 2.3 seconds later, Perez. Bay, meron lang akong trivia dito, Bay. Do you know how long itong 12.734 seconds na ito, Bay? Bay, this is Bay, para ma-imagine nyo lang, this is the intro of Smells Like Teen Spirit intro. Tang takak takatang tang dang dang. That's almost ganun kahaba. Ganun kahaba yung waiting na yun.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very
So
nice comparison. Very nice. Yeah.
So from now on, ganyan na siguro gagawin ko para at least yung viewers, they can actually imagine, wow, ganun katagal, 'di ba? Ilang notes na 'yon. 'Di ba?
Yam.
So,
may nagtanong, Mayor Azarcon, anong song 'yun?
Smells Like Teen Spirit.
Smells Like
by
Teen
Nirvana.
Spirit by Nirvana. Kumbaga,
yes.
pag intro pa lang, headbang ka na. Pag tingin mo, layo pa ni Hamilton.
Di ba?
Ay, nako.
And meron pang isang song. May isang song pa.
Okay.
Yung Queen, We Will Rock You. Yung intro na yun. Dug dug tak. Dug dug tak. That's almost 13 seconds. So
ang haba.
Ganun para
layo nimo.
I mean, Max is here na pagkanta niya ng Buddy, you're a young man. So yun, para ma-imagine nyo lang, ganun kahaba yung gap ni Verstappen and Lewis Hamilton, no? Intro of Nirvana and intro of Queen's We Will Rock You. Alright.
So, papagalitan daw ni Carl, mga idol Charles, sana naman pagbigyan mo na si Carlos because this is the last reason with Ferrari. And Carlos, wag naman masobrang ang conference o confidence. Confidence. Dapat lang magkasunod kay ni Charles. Sige. Carl, paki-text naman sila para maganda yung
kailangan nila makinig kay Carl.
Text mo nga.
So that's, I mean, we see another ridiculous gap of the Max of Max's Red Bull from the cars behind, no, regardless if it's his teammate or it's another car. So this gap is actually ridiculous na. Max, pagalitan ko din si Max, bawasan mo naman ng konti. Para naman ma-enjoy naman natin yung karera. So, di ba? So after 19 laps of sprint action, we see here Max Verstappen, eto na nga, may gap siya between kay Lewis Hamilton ng 12.73 seconds. So, yun. Congrats, Max. So here's the top 10 for the sprint. We have Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton. Big score, big points for Lewis dito sa sa sprint na ito. We have Sergio Perez, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, George Russell, and Zhou Guanyu. Sayang. Ang sprint kasi is hanggang 8 lang. Pero at least nasa top 10 siya. He gave his countrymen a good show. And then we have Kevin Magnussen on 10th. All right. So, Jong, before tayo mag-Saturday race qualifying, baka we can hear from the boys sa golf.
Wait, before that, Shaira, at some point, sana naging fan na lang ako ni Max para happy pala. Ako din. Ay, yeah.
Not too late.
Yeah.
Not too late to change teams. But of course,
Yeah,
sige lang.
syempre,
Yeah.
if as a whole, yeah.
It's not
Yeah.
too late.
May
pero
araw din si Max.
It's more fun to
Yeah.
enjoy it as a whole naman.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Before we
May
go,
araw
we're
din.
gonna give you a message from Alex Albon.
Yeah, let's go. Hi, I'm Alex Albon and I'm a Formula One driver for Williams Racing. This year I'm most excited to race at Las Vegas. Firstly, a new race for everyone. The hype already is massive. It's going to be a night race, which is always cool. It's going to be very special. I would describe the Gulf Williams partnership as iconic, beautiful and historical. Being in the driving seat for Gulf and Williams, there was almost a little bit of a feeling of expectation. Two heavyweight names in the world of motorsport. You wear that with pride. I'm of course very excited to get going this year. I'm sure the collaboration between the two of us is going to push us forwards. It's a very iconic brand to be along with Williams, which is also an iconic brand. So that will fuel us into the future and hopefully we can have a good season. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Golf. So if you saw my post, I'm sorry, my comment. So paki-like yung page ng Drive with Gulf Oil PH. So thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines, for this partnership for this year. So yeah, let's go to the race. Qualifying.
All right.
Yep.
So, Saturday race. So, qualifying. This was around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Buti na lang walang pumasok sa office nito kaya you were able to
Manang Maruya.
si Maruya and Toron. Anyway, Saturday race qualifying. This was a big lock up from Lewis Hamilton. That's why he didn't make it to Q1. He was eliminated, no? So the drivers who got eliminated for Q1, we have Zhou Guanyu, Kevin Magnussen, Lewis Hamilton, Yuki Tsunoda, and Logan Sargent. And then
Yum.
for Q2. Bye. All right.
Ito na lang. Before you continue with the qualifying for the race proper, okay? Let me just take note na lang sa lahat that this is a new format for the sprint race. Kung napapansin ninyo, this is a new one for the sprint. Kung nagkaroon, if you could remember, first nagkaroon ng FP1, then qualifying for the sprint, then the sprint race, then qualifying for the race, then the race itself. Diba? So, yan yung bagong sequence of ano. So, after the sprint, pwede pa nilang, they could do something with the car para sa race proper, para ma-improve or for their qualifying for the race, mababago pa nila. So, makikita parang pwede nilang gamitin ang sprint race as, kumbaga, sort of parang free practice na rin.
Yep. Tama.
That's
Pre-practice.
19 laps of free practice to dial in the car, to tune in the car, to do something with the car para magkaroon sila ng magandang place or standing in the qualifying for the main race.
Yep.
So yun lang aking bagong format ito na introduce for 2024.
All right. Thank you,
Yeah.
Miles. Yam, before we proceed, Aaron Reyes, good evening mga sir. 12 seconds piano intro of Welcome to the Black Parade by Michael Roman. Yes, medyo bago na naman. Sorry, hindi naman siguro halata yung edad namin, no? So, yes, I love this song as well. Welcome to the Black Parade. And also the pics shown from the F1 PH Live viewing community is from Skinny Mike's
Skinny
BGC
Mike's
Taguig.
BGC.
Yes.
All right.
Love to drop by. I think I was able to try one there. So there we go. Thank you, Sir Aaron Reyes. Yeah, nice song as well. Okay. Yam.
All right. Okay. Just to add to Miles, when they introduced sprint, kasi it was practice, then qualifying for sprint, and then sprint, and then whatever is the result for the sprint will be the grid for Sunday's race. That was the first ever sprint that was introduced. The second one is practice, then qualifying for Sunday's race, and then after that, qualifying for sprint, and then sprint, and then race. Yan yung last year. This year, mas maganda. Kasi, tama yun si Miles, at least ito, parang pre-practice na nila with racing. Di ba? Dati kasi, pagka nag-qualifying na, wala na. Park Fermi rules na, hindi na dapat pakialaman, wala nang settings, dapat yun na lang ang setting ng car mo. So at least ngayon, after the sprint, okay, ganito yung nangyari, medyo pangit yung handling. Meron na naman silang qualifying for the race, so they can still adjust. So yun ang format, mas maganda ang format ngayon, kasi Friday pa lang busy ka na. Friday pa lang pwede ka nang manood, di ba? Alright. So, eto na nga. Right here, on the background, Carlos Sainz lumampas sa track, and then after this, he spun, eto, and then he damaged his front wing. So, red flag was called. And then we can see the car of Carlos Sainz dito, wala nang front wing. So Ferrari was able to repair it, and then he was able to rejoin Q2, and he ended up on P3 after Q2, and then 1-2 Red Bull, and then followed by Charles Leclerc on 4th. So the guys who were eliminated from Q2, we have Lance Stroll, Daniel Ricciardo, Esteban Ocon, Albon, and Pierre Gasly. And then our top our top 10 for the qualifying for the race, we have 1-2 for Red Bull, Max Verstappen, Sergio Perez, and then Manong Fernando Alonso, his first ever second row sa season na ito. Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, George Russell, Nico Hülkenberg, and Valtteri Bottas. Dito sa Q3, medyo nakakainis na din panoorin kasi Max Verstappen was stuck in number 1, and there were 5 drivers who were able to get P2 provisionally. No?
Yeah.
Una si Alonso, Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, Charles Leclerc, and finally Sergio Perez. Pero si Max, hindi nagalaw yung oras niya. So driver na talaga ito. Wala na talaga tayong magawa. Champion talaga. Anyway, Sunday race. Lights out and away they go. Maganda yung linya ni Max. Kaya naunahan niya yung teammate niya. However, we all know how Manong Alonso operate during the start. Kaya dito pinahirapan niya si Checo, and eventually he was able to overtake Checo for P2. And then lurking in the background is the McLaren of Lando Norris. Oh, yan. And then right here, first turn, medyo dito na itong turn na ito, yung hairpin na ito, medyo technical. Kaya mamaya makikita natin dito nagkaroon ng mga mishap. And then we see here the attack of the 2 Ferraris like this. Carlos Sainz, na-attack niya si Nico Hülkenberg. And then ito naman yung overtake ni Perez against Alonso for second. Maganda na yung positioning ng dalawang Red Bull dito. They are 1 and 2 no? And then after this, tinira ni Lando Norris si Manong Alonso for third. And then dito makikita na talaga natin na medyo mabagal na yung Mercedes kasi na-overtake una ni Leclerc, and then after that, na-overtake din siya ni Carlos Sainz. Una, tinira ni Carlos Sainz si... hindi. Tama. This one is... dito, Charles Leclerc, medyo bumili siya after kay Russell, tinira niya si Oscar Piastri, and eventually, natira din niya si Manong Alonso. And then, right here, okay, ito yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, Jong.
Yeah.
The Red Bulls decided to pit early, nag-double stack sila dito, and we can see here, they use the hard tire.
Yep.
Hard tire ito, pinalitan nila, and then, ito naman yung kay Yellow.
Perez.
Okay.
Then
Kay
there's a
Perez.
medium.
Mm-hmm. And then after that, after nung nauna sila mag-pit, syempre bababa yung they lost position, and then after this nagkaroon ng virtual safety car because of the engine
Valtteri
problem
Bottas.
of Valtteri Bottas. So Lando Norris took this opportunity to pit. So maganda na, okay na yung pit niya kasi nasa under virtual safety car, so at least he will not lose a lot of time after this, no? And then finally after this, hindi lang nakita sa pero after this, the two Red Bulls, they decided na to pit again kasi dapat yung kanilang strategy is in line with the strategy of McLaren. Kaya yon, si Perez medyo naalanganin na kasi nga nalugi sila dun sa pag-early nila ng pit, nagkaroon ng virtual safety car. Kaya si Perez was on third and Norris nasa second. A good job. A job well done by the Papaya boys. And then this is the restart. Okay. Tapos na ang safety car nito, and then restart, and then we see here, this one is Manong Alonso. Siya yung unang nag-lock up, no? And then after this, nagkaroon ng domino effect, and we see here Lance Stroll. This one is Daniel Ricciardo. So after the lock up of Manong Alonso, so lahat sila dito preno. I don't know what happened to Lance Stroll, bakit hindi niya nakita yung RB ni
He was looking to the
ni
right.
Ricciardo. Yeah, he was looking sa so eventually
He was looking
they
like
had contact here. Di ba? Inis na inis si Daniel Ricciardo talaga dito kasi sinisi pa siya eh. Bakit daw siya nag-brake check, di ba? Brake check.
very
Pero,
very uncharacteristic no kay Ricardo na magalit. We never see Daniel Ricciardo upset. Well, except nung sa McLaren siya when talagang nakikita mo sa facial expression niya na he wasn't happy. This is the first time I've seen him this upset after an incident, no? Kasi parang he took it personally na bine-blame siya ni Lance Stroll, na ininsulto pa siya ni Stroll over the radio. But yeah, if you go back to that incident, no, it was if you go back to the replay, Stroll's head was looking sa right. He was looking at the apex basically. Kasi ina-anticipate niya na magre-restart na ang karera. By the time na lumingon siya ulit sa front, nakapreno na si Ricardo and wala na talaga siyang magawa. I can't say this was an incident, no. Talagang Lance just wasn't paying attention. Tapos
he was not there.
di ba? I don't agree sa mga nagsasabi na this was an incident, racing incident. No, not this time. At some point, hopefully, makita ni Stroll na he messed up. And I doubt that he'll say or do anything about it. Ganun talaga siya. He's an F1 racer after all. Talaga. No, I don't see it as an incident anyway. Yeah, and this, looking at the bigger picture, no, this ruined Ricardo's race. Maganda sana ang performance ni Ricardo up until this point, di ba? He's got the new chassis. This was the first time that he took the new chassis, so he was quite happy with that. And he was actually doing pretty darn well until
Yeah. Until this
Stroll
incident,
decided that he didn't need his diffuser anymore. So, ouch. So,
Yeah.
sayang, another wasted opportunity for Ricardo. So, ewan ko kung anong outcome nito on the side of RB, kung ano bang gagawin nila kay Daniel, if kasi there's rumors going around na malapit na siyang palitan ni Lawson, na may mga ganun na rumors going around kasi yun nga, na binigyan daw siya ng ultimatum, although they deny it. But this is F1 and you're dealing with Helmut Marko of all people, di ba? So anything can happen. Hopefully this won't work against Ricardo, against his favor. So yep, pero ewan ko, we'll see what happens. Pero yeah, not a racing incident this time. Under safety car, bababanggaan mo yun sa front mo. Pambihira naman.
Yeah. All right, Yam.
Bye.
Thank you.
Basahin muna natin yung mga basahin muna natin yung mga comments. Parang maganda
Comments,
na yung mga comments dito.
Yep. All right.
Baba,
Here we
baba.
go.
Dami na.
They were talking about the incident between Lance Stroll and Daniel Ricciardo. So there we go. Yep. Everybody is agreeing that it's it's the fault of
Yeah,
Stroll.
not an incident.
And aside from
Not
that,
an incident.
Carl right here, nainis ako na inasta ni Lance. Kitang-kita naman sa onboard
So,
na
let's see.
Bongo. Yep,
Mm.
that was it. Yep.
Yep.
Shaira was really mentioned about Alonso. Grabe, Alonso is really good talaga, walang kupas. Though maximize your tires, which somehow not a good diskarte sa circuit na yun.
Yeah. Shaira is talking about the soft tires that was installed in Mano Alonso's car. That's why nag-pit siya ulit. So he dropped 10th and then was able to overtake a lot of cars after that. So yeah, we see the beast in him talaga. All right. So who will have the Red Bull seat next year? Any thoughts po? Okay. We have to
France,
wait and see.
Derek, yep. Miles,
Loaded
meron kang
question.
meron kang masagot dito? Who will have the Red Bull seat?
Sus,
Wala. Miles?
Definitely.
mahirap yun.
Definitely not Daniel Ricciardo. Sorry. Sorry, Daniel Ricciardo there. Sorry. Sorry,
Yeah.
Daniel.
Okay.
Not at this point.
Another question for France. Derek, Mercedes is doing well this week's race. Any thoughts?
Actually, ano yan?
Sige, Yam.
Nagtitipid si Toto. Actually, it's not the driver's fault. The car is really slow. So there's something going on with the development of the car. And yeah, that's the problem if you're the head of if you are the owner and also at the same time you join a race. So pagka may karera, magastos talaga yan. So Toto Wolff is torn between saving money for the company and giving money to the race. So yan ang problema. Unlike Christian Horner, kung ano hingiin niya sa team niya, sa mga bosses niya, ibibigay kaagad. So matagal ko na nakita yan. And of course, masyadong mahal na si 7-time world champion. Kaya ngayon, parang gusto lang nilang i-survive, no? Pero anyway, hindi pa natin nakikita kasi kasi 4 na karera pa lang tayo eh. Usually ang mga developments meron pa diyan dun sa midterm nila, yung after the summer, yung mga ganyan. So marami pa. So siguro sa ngayon, yun, medyo nagtitipid or medyo wala pa masyado tayong nakikitang improvement sa Mercedes. However, since mahaba masyado itong season na ito, hopefully magka-score ng maganda si Lewis Hamilton before he leaves for the Scarlet Cars.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, meron tayo.
So just a little bit more before.
Okay.
Sorry, Yam. Go ahead.
Sige, go. Go, Andy.
So just to add lang para sa question ni Franz, no. Very good question kasi we've seen Mercedes struggling this year and in the last couple of years, to be honest. Pero in this particular race, apparently, they were experimenting with Lewis's setup. Lewis himself, siya nag-request na ibahin yung setup niya. He wanted to try something else. And nakita niya na nag-backfire kaagad. Didn't take long for Lewis to realize na palpak yung setup niya. And yes, he did acknowledge na if that was on him kasi siya nag-request ng different setup. So just goes to show na Mercedes as a whole is really struggling. Hindi na to ano. It's a real struggle over at Mercedes at the moment. It's not just the car, it's not just the driver, it's the whole system. Hindi lang talaga nila na figure out yung rules, how to maximize the car. Very unfortunate kasi yun nga, nakapito si Hamilton, di ba? So, maganda sana yung momentum niya. Pero, that being said, starting from P19, ending at P9, gaya ng sinulat ni Carl Angelo, thank you. Not bad, di ba? Not bad for a struggling Mercedes. So, naka-points pa rin siya, which is better than nothing. Ang hirap naman pag out of the top 10 ka. Better na yan. Better than nothing.
Okay.
May dagdag rin ako for usapang Mercedes.
Sige, pagtapos mo, Miles, sagutin natin yung question ni Justin.
Okay. Ito na lang. Mercedes is struggling as of this moment, yes. Okay. Tulad na na-mention kanina, first, we are just bago pa lang tayo for the season. Okay. If you could remember, Lewis Hamilton finished last year third in points sa championship after the Red Bulls, di ba? So what does that mean, 'di ba? Hindi siya yung basta pipitsuging driver. Okay? Talking about the team, okay? If you have seen or if you know Italian, meron namang Google Translate. Anyway, I shared an article regarding Mercedes and that they're going to have upgrades for Miami. Okay? Just like any other team, they're going to experiment. Okay? I stumbled upon an article in Italian. Grazie. I'm explaining that Mercedes would be doing major upgrades to their car.
Yep.
Diba? So, ito lang sabi ko, just like last year, wherein they finished, the Lewis Hamilton finished third, diba? Most of the points that Lewis got last year came from mid-season hanggang patapos, diba? Ibig sabihin nag-develop pa. They're still developing the car. Pero ito na lang sa akin. There's no use trying to spend enough money, more money developing your car, considering that the new 2026 regulations are just around the corner. Diba? You should concentrate on that kasi just like what happened to Red Bull, diba? They got the new, yung ngayon, the present situation, they got the perfect car dialed in, diba? No other team got it just like them, diba? With the introduction of the new regulations, sila lang yung nakakuha nun. So, why not come 2026 new regulations, you concentrate all your resources there, diba? Just like what Red Bull did, unahan na ninyo to find the sweet formula for the 2026 regs, diba? So, malay natin. Pero yun na nga, with the caliber of drivers that Toto Wolff has, diba? And the mediocre car that they have right now, diba? They could still bring in results, but not at par with Red Bull talaga. Might be third siguro or fourth. At level with McLaren, diba? Pero yun na nga. Ito lang suggestion ko kay Toto Wolff. Toto, concentrate ka na lang sa 2026, diba?
Text mo nga.
Hayaan mo na itong 2024. Hayaan mo na itong 2024. Diba? Sige lang. Akin na lang. Okay, develop the car just to maintain your third or fourth place. Total, third or fourth, ibig sabihin yun, it would also translate to thousands of euros, di ba? prize money at the end of the season. So, extra money to the coffers for the team.
Yep.
So, yun na.
All right.
Pero Mercedes isn't gone. They're still there.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. They're still
Quick tayo. Mayo Azarcon, nice trivia. Sorry, mali. That was Shaira, nice trivia. Red Bull Mercedes Finances. Mayor Azarcon can Sebastian Vettel for sure uplift Mercedes just like Alonso and Aston Martin. I think it's not the driver, it's the car. So it's
The
not
car,
really about the
problema.
driver, it's the car. So next question, Justin Dominic Villalon. Agree ba kayo na yung point system ay hanggang 12th place? Sabi kasi ni Crofty, it's beneficial to the mid-teams. Actually, this was brought up during the race, I think, or before the race, that they have a meeting with the drivers that they're going to have additional points up to 12, and definitely a yes. It's a good addition kasi more points teams would be, battling for position. We will see more battles in the midfield, diba? If the case of the whole intro of what's that? Welcome to the Black Parade piano is the gap of Verstappen. So, diba? It's nice to see in the midfield battling out for position, for a will-to-will battle because of the points system that they're gonna have. So it's really a very good one as well. So yun. More savings, yes. Yan sinabi ni Miles, para sa akin, long-term finance budget ang naisip ni Toto. Possible. Goods na yung spot, laki pa rin pera yun. Yep. Aside from that, aside from the savings, if they have a good spot, like sabihin natin third or fourth team, sponsors will still come in. Once sponsor will come in, then definitely more money for the team. So, yun yung ano.
And not only that, if you end up third or fourth or even fifth, you have more time in the tunnel, the wind tunnel.
Yep. There we go.
So mas marami ka pang pwedeng adjustments, unlike Red Bull, since sila yung nauna, konti na lang yung time nila sa wind tunnel, kaya pagdating ng midterm nito, probably at least man lang meron ng ibang mga drivers na could take the P1, hindi for world champion pero at least nananalo na during the race. All right.
Right? Yum.
So,
continue.
Alright, so ito, malapit na tayo. So this one, ito na nga yung banggaan between Stroll and Daniel Ricciardo. And then, here. I mean, look at the head of Lance Stroll. Papunta dun sa right eh. Tapos bigla na lang siyang nagulat. Uy! Na-brake check ako ni Daniel Ricciardo. Pero hindi niya alam yung tunay na kwento. Sayang naman. And, another contact dito, no, from Kevin Magnussen and Yuki Tsunoda. So silang dalawa nagkaroon ng puncture. Buti na lang si K-Mag, nadala pa din niya yung kotse niya hanggang pit, pero si Yuki Tsunoda wasn't able to do that, so naiwan na yun dito. And another safety car nilabas, pero from that point on, hindi na napalitan ang kanilang sequence. So we can see here Perez. Okay. We can see here battle between Perez and Charles Leclerc. So si Perez na una from Charles Leclerc, and then this was the one. Ito na yung after pinalitan ni Alonso yung tire niya from soft to mediums, yung sa second or third niya na pit. So ito na nga, he was really a beast. Ilang kotse na yung natira niya dito, and ito yung huling overtake niya with Lewis Hamilton, pero tumula siya dito pero he was able to control his car unlike what happened to
What to say?
Sainz.
Carlos Sainz na talagang dumire-diretso siya dito. Dire-diretso si Carlos Sainz dito. Dito, we can see the onboard of Manong talagang the reaction time nung binawi niya yung manibela niya was really
Bilis.
quick. And then, pagdating dito sa linya na ito, he was just acting like that there's nothing, walang nangyari. And then, he just opened his DRS and he was able to attack Lewis Hamilton. And then, yeah, he ended up
Yam.
Manong Alonso and
Yam, let me-
Yes, Miles.
Yam, kindly go back to the previous slide.
Here,
Okay,
here.
i-zoom lang natin. Yung balik na zoom. Yeah, that one. Okay. Introduce ko lang. Maybe we
Save.
forgot the last time around we raced in Shanghai. That part of the track wasn't a gravel trap. Ano lang yan dati? It's part of the asphalt yan eh. It's not a gravel trap.
Asphalt
So
na lahat.
parang, yes, that was asphalt, yung gravel trap na yan. Going towards the finish line. Okay. So, that is why, halos lahat, naninibago dyan eh. Kita naman natin, Carlos Sainz, Manong Fernando, even Max.
Max Verstappen.
Almost. Oh. And also, I think Lewis also parang umabot din dyan. But anyway, most of the drivers who raced there before, parang nanibago with that part of the track, and medyo, when it comes to that, medyo cautious sila. Kaya yun lang aking kasi people might be wondering, lalo na yung mga DTS, pre-DTS, post-DTS fans natin who hindi nakasubaybay with the Shanghai racetrack. Yan ang ngayon eh. Might be wondering bakit
Yung history.
halos maraming nag-overshoot doon eh. Okay. Okay, balik tayo sa comments. Okay.
Taylor Swift.
Saan tayo magpupunta dyan?
Taylor Swift effect. Yeah, you ditch.
Ano pala yung Taylor Swift effect?
Hindi ko alam. Para there was a song by Taylor Swift. You're like, para bang you treat me like an Aston Martin that you ditch me, something like that. I don't know.
Ginawa niya ng breakup song si
okay.
Alonso.
Yeah, breakup song.
Oh! Okay.
Dating controversy
Sino bang
na yun.
boyfriend?
Importante
Sino
na
boyfriend ni
talaga.
Taylor Swift yun?
Yeah. Okay. Fast sector. Yan, sector 3. Break tapos sa kote. Yeah. Yun. There we go. Tama yung sinabi ni Carl Angelo. Yes, it's a fast sector because I think that's almost 1 kilometer yung kung saan nagbanggaan si Ricardo at saka si Lance Stroll. I think that's a 1 kilometer stretch going into a hairpin turn, then going towards this fast corner up to the start-finish line. So it's really a very fast sector. So that's why 1 kilometer pa naman, di ba? F1 will run around 300 kilometers per hour on a stretch. So, yun. Yeah, okay.
All right. So, ito na nga, nakuha ni Manong Alonso si Lewis Hamilton, and after that, ito na, nakuha na. Max Verstappen took the checkered flag, followed by Lando Norris, 14.128 seconds.
Anybody can say a
Anong
song
kanta
about a
ito?
40-second gap? Okay,
Ay,
what is...
wait. Intro ng Enter Sandman by
Enter
Metallica.
Sandman. Wow.
Mahaba na yun, ha? Naghaba na nun.
Wow.
Grabe na.
No, anyway.
Say your
So-
prayers, little one.
At the end, At the end, Lando Norris took 13.773 seconds lang pala. So, here are the results for the Chinese Grand Prix. Max Verstappen, P1, followed by Lando Norris, Sergio Perez, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, George Russell, Fernando Alonso, Oscar Piastri, Lewis Hamilton, and Nico Hulkenberg. Another point gathered by Nico Hulkenberg for Team Haas. Lewis Hamilton, good job from P18 to P9. Oscar Piastri, the Wonder Boy, of course, may puntos pa din. Both Papaya Boys nagkaroon ng puntos. Fernando Alonso, the lone Aston Martin car in the sayang ito. Supposed to be the Aston Martin can compete with the
Haas.
let's see with Haas. No.
Haas, definitely.
They can actually compete. No, they can actually compete
Yeah,
with the
midfield
Papaya.
sila.
Papaya
Top
and,
midfield.
yeah, and Mercedes.
Yeah, top.
And Mercedes.
Yeah.
Kaya.
Oh, kaya nila.
Kaya sayang si
Sa
Lance
driver.
Stroll kasi very ano bang tawag niyan? Very
Careless.
bratty masyado ba? Yeah, doesn't think
He
of
got
the team. All he thinks is,
Mm.
Sunday na naman, karera na naman ako. Parang
To
gano'n
do,
sa kanya.
yeah.
Kaya sayang.
Wala, oh.
Ayun.
Okay,
All
so we have the driver standing. Max Verstappen at 110, 85 Sergio Perez, Charles Leclerc 76, Carlos Sainz 69, 58 for Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri 38, George Russell 33, Fernando Alonso 31, Lewis Hamilton 19, and Lance Stroll 9. Constructors, Red Bull nangunguna at 195 points, followed by Ferrari 151, McLaren, Mercedes 96, Mercedes 52, Aston Martin 40, Honda RB7, thanks to Yuki Tsunoda, Haas Ferrari 5, Williams, Alpine, and Kick Sauber has yet to earn points. And Miami, Formula 1 Review.com Miami Grand Prix, May 4 to 6. May 6 is a Monday at 4 a.m. So, gising tayong maaga. Tama-tama yan.
Bienvenido, Miami.
All right.
Okay.
So that's the analysis for tonight.
Salamat.
Alright.
Maraming salamat, Yam.
Thank you, Yam.
Thank you,
All right.
Logan Sargent muna tayo bago ang lahat.
Okay, before we
Kung
before we're gonna give out the questions and answers, questions and your answers. So, Adi, prepare mo na. Ano to? Sakto, maaga pasok going school. Yes. Maaga
Wala na
gising.
pwedeng dyan sa
Yeah.
inyo.
Wow. Basta hindi lang matalo yung team, no? All right. So before we go to our question and answer person for tonight's episode, let's listen first to Logan Sargent.
Good to go. Hi, my name is Logan Sargent. I am the newest Williams driver for the 2023 season, and ready to get going. I would describe the new Gulf-Williams partnership as historic, unstoppable, and fast. I think having the chance to represent both Gulf and Williams is a really special opportunity. They both have a lot of history within racing, and being able to carry that logo on my suit as well as on the car throughout the year, and it just carries a really special energy. It's definitely special to be the first full-time American since 2007 in Formula One. It has a pretty nice ring to it. I'm looking to represent my country to the best of my ability and make everyone proud. Thanks, guys.
So next race is definitely a homecoming race for Logan Sargent. I'm not quite sure if he's from Miami, but it's his country. So yun. So tonight we're giving out this one right here. This is the official merch of the Purple Sector. So it's a trucker cap. So there we go. So guys, are you ready for... Okay, before pala, mention na lang natin na you cannot win twice. You can only win once. And aside from that, if we require you to answer a full, ano ba to? A full questions or 3 answers needed, you have to answer 3. And correct spelling, correct. Wrong spelling, wrong. Alright, so yun po. Alright, so, ayun. Andy, are we ready?
Okay, Jong,
Before we proceed,
Sige.
While Andy is typing,
Ano ba,
okay, I
sige.
would also like to acknowledge mga kaibigan rin natin, Alpine Stars and Pirelli, for supporting
Yes,
our show.
thank you Alpine Stars and Pirelli.
Yes,
Maraming
absolutely.
Maraming salamat. All right.
No, so this this first question is going plano kasi natin tonight is easy, medium, hard tayo ang
Yay.
format natin tonight.
All
So I'm
right.
thinking, we can give the cap out for the first yan for the
Yep.
easy.
Yep.
Jong, ano bang nasa medium at saka hard difficulty natin? Para let's tease the audience konti before we start.
What do you mean? I think the question number 1 right here, you did mention it's already very easy.
Mhm.
What do you
Yep,
mean?
it is.
Ano yung prices ulit? Pakita mo yung prices.
This is
The
the
prices natin.
for the easy.
Yan na-
This is going to be
Oh.
for the easy. There you go.
Easy round yan.
Yep.
Ano yung para Ano yung para sa medium at saka sa hard difficulty
Medium
natin,
would be the Pirelli Cup.
Yeah.
There you go. The
I
Pirelli
want
Cup.
those.
And for the hard, the authentic
Ayun.
Williams.
Nice.
The
Williams.
one worn by Miles right now, it's a dry fit polo shirt, authentic from Golf Williams. There we go.
Teka, naka-answer ba ng hard
Wala bang-
question si Miles?
Ha? Naka-answer si Miles?
Naka-answer ba ng... Oh?
Oh.
Yes, I did.
Wala bang ano dyan?
A very,
Wala bang
very
t-shirt
hard
ng-
question.
Ano yan?
Wala bang t-shirt ng
Very hard.
wala bang t-shirt ng purple sector dyan? Patingin naman.
Wala pa.
Oo.
Nilalagyan pa ng,
Oo nga.
ng tag.
Ah,
wait for it, wait for it.
Tinatay pa ni Jong.
The
Teaser na
tag
yun.
is coming. According to our
Teaser na yun.
supplier,
So,
tag is...
ang the merch of the purple sector dumadami. So, very limited edition
Yep.
Oh, very
merch
rare pa yan.
na dito nyo lang makukuha sa the
Yes.
purple sector.
Oo. Wala
Unless
pa sa...
magtatayo si Jong ng Shopee.
Wala pa sa
Shopee
Shopee. Antay tayo, hindi tayo mapeke ng ano. Alright!
Ng,
Alam mo na.
Okay. Andy, question number 1.
Andy, question easy number 1.
Okay, this question is for the easy round. It's going up right now.
Right?
Question
Answer.
number 1.
Who is the first Chinese driver to race at the Chinese Grand Prix? Yao Ming!
Full name.
Si Yao.
Full name ba ito? Full name.
Full name.
ay,
Ang
Jong.
Yomi.
Tama pala, Jong. Tama pala, Jong.
Oh,
Nanalo na naman ng Denver kanina. Sorry,
Michael Schumacher. Carl, ha?
Oh, nice
Carl.
one, Carl.
Hindi ko
Nice
alam.
try.
May
Hindi
lahing
namin alam. Hindi
Chinese
namin
pala
alam
si
na...
Chinese pala si Shumi.
Shumi.
Oh,
Ayun.
Schumacher.
Shaira Zhou Guan Yu. Ayun. So, Jan
Grabe,
Shaira
magkasunod lang.
Janina
Second lang yan.
wins the cup. There we go. Jackie
Nice one,
Chan. Yeah.
Jackie Chan.
Chinese ba si Jackie Chan? Can you consider a
Hong
asa
Kong.
ba, Hong Kong
Hong Kong.
So Hong Kongese.
oo
Diba?
naman, Jong. Oo. Yeah.
Hong Kong.
Ibang
Hong-
cannonball
Hong-
run.
Careful. Careful.
Cannonball
Okay.
run yun. Cannonball run.
Shaira, thank you. You won again. It's Zhou Guan Yu. Yeah. All right.
Guan Yu.
Everybody
Ayos,
loves.
Congratulations.
Everybody loves. Jeremy Lin.
hometown hero.
Jeremy Lin is a Taiwanese. Tama ba? Miles, do you know Jeremy
Who's
Lin
that?
of New
Yes, yes,
York?
yes. Taiwan.
Oh.
Knicks.
Didn't know that.
Taiwanese, yeah. Second.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Thank you po. Wow, my second win. Carl, anong second win?
Wala ka pa nga nagpapanalunan.
Carl Ancheta,
Okay.
tapos na po. Sorry. So, mahina si YouTube
Carla
din.
Zeta, who is in YouTube right now.
Yeah. There we go.
Si
Yan
si
ang prize for second.
Si Shaira ang nanalo kanina, di ba?
Yeah, Shaira.
Yes.
Sige.
Okay.
Alright.
Pangalawang cup ko na yan.
Sulatin ko na.
O nga, no?
Then we make,
Anyway,
John, we make
are
sure
we...
na
Are
we don't send similar caps to Shaira.
Shaira, paki-message naman kami ano yung natanggap mo para hindi... Kasi ang dami namin. We have 4 designs of this one. So, we have 4 designs
So,
of
para
this
hindi
one.
mag-duplicate.
Hindi mag-duplicate. Alright. Thank you, Shaira. We're gonna wait for your message. Next question, who's gonna win? Ang daming may gusto nito actually. So, thank you Pirelli. This is really authentic actually. Hindi naman sa pinilit ko si Pirelli mamigay, pero gusto lang talaga nila podium cups lang. So that's why they removed the P0 and the flag and the country flag and the
leaves.
So, yun.
And
Thank you,
yung
Pirelli.
leaves. Oh, sorry.
Ah?
Andyan yung leaves.
Yeah.
Andyan yung leaves.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There
Yeah,
you go.
the laurel leaves are there.
Maganda.
Pirelli, thank you so much
Beautiful.
for this one. Andy, second
Okay,
question.
yep.
Dapat
Second
next
question
time,
is coming up
gulong
right
up.
now.
The last time raced in China was what year? Ano to di? Year ba
Mali,
to?
Jong. Ulit, Jong.
Di, go, di.
Hindi naman.
Di, go.
Sige.
Haka na
So,
lang.
the
Okay.
last time F1 raced in China, this F1 driver, blank, was racing alongside Verstappen sa Red Bull. Sino yung kasama ni Verstappen sa Red Bull?
Hindi,
The last
year.
time.
Hindi year.
Hindi siya year.
Okay.
Year. I'm looking
Sige,
for a
paki-ano.
race.
So,
Balik mo.
I'm
Balik mo yung
looking
question.
for-
Balik mo.
di, go. Sorry, hindi
Balik
po
mo
siya year. Di, lagyan mo na lang.
Yep, that's fine.
Okay.
Balik ko
It's
yung
a
question.
driver.
Oh.
Is this correct?
Hayaan nyo lang yung scam
No.
dyan na restream. Hayaan.
No. Ano na lang, Tagalogin natin.
Oh, it wasn't
The last
Albon.
time we raced in China, sino ang partner ni Max Verstappen sa Red
Gian.
Bull?
Ayun, si
Gian Mario.
Shaira.
Hindi. Pierre Gasly. Oh my God.
Yes, it's Pierre Gasly. So, Shaira,
Pierre
sorry.
Gasly.
Nanalo ka na
Nanalo
eh.
na si
So,
Shaira.
Since nanalo lang si Shaira,
so Sean
Si Sean
Braga.
Sean Braga.
Yeah,
Sean
Sean.
Braga!
Good evening,
Congratulations
Sean.
and welcome to the show.
Yeah.
Bagong pangalan yan.
Pierre Gasly. Ba,
Yeah.
ayos
Pierre
Welcome
Gasly.
to the show,
You
Sean.
won a...
Welcome to the show and congratulations. O, sinanalo kagad siya.
Okay.
Galing
Wow,
naman.
Sean.
Pierre Gasly.
Congrats.
Okay, Sean, ito message
Nice.
lang para
Nice.
kay Sean Braga. Can you message us on our official Facebook page of the Purple Sector? Message mo kami ng iyong shipping details so we could send your prices.
The
Pirelli.
Pirelli
Pero-
Cup. Yeah. Sean
Yeah, your
Braga,
Pirelli.
Pirelli.
Pero kung
That's
gusto mo next episode, marami pa tayong pamimigay. Pwede natin combine shipping just like what we'll be doing to
Yeah.
Shaira, who joined us for how many years already.
Thank
So,
you,
yun
Shaira.
nga,
Ngayon, no?
sa mga loyal natin na fans.
Yeah,
Paborito
mga-
yan ni Young Boy.
Mga loyalist.
Oh,
Gasly.
alaga ko yan si Shaira. Alaga ko yan.
Mga-
Shaira!
Okay.
Okay,
Difficult
congrats ulit.
question.
And now, yes.
Paki-elaborate, what do we need? It's year, name the driver, you name the car.
Now,
Paki-elaborate na
I'm
lang.
looking for, this time I'm looking for free names. Tatlong pangalan.
Drivers, in
Doesn't
short.
have to be alphabetical. It doesn't have to be in any order. Pero I am looking for free particular names for this
Wait,
third
Andy,
question.
wait.
which is coming up.
Wait.
Wait.
Ano ba? Family name o full name? First name, family name.
Full name. Full
Okay.
names.
Full name.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct
asking
These are full
spelling.
names.
Okay.
Oh.
Drivers,
Hirap
full
na
name.
question. So,
Go, Andy.
full name, tatlong F1 drivers. Question is coming up right now. So, question number 3. The last time F1 raced in China, driver
Right.
1, driver 2, and driver 3, they were rookies having their third Formula 1 race.
Wow.
Sino tong tatlong ito?
Sino ang tatlong
Sino to
rookie
tatlong
na ito? The last time
So,
nagkaroon
clue?
ng... Uy!
Wow!
Calvin
May
James
nag-type?
Manalo.
Wow! Tama
Okay.
din.
Spelling wrong.
Ha? Wrong spelling!
Spelling wrong.
Wrong spelling, wrong!
Ano din?
Sayang naman!
Complete names, di ba? Complete names.
Sayang
We are asking
naman.
complete names.
Sayang.
Complete names.
Sayang.
Complete.
Ganito na lang. Okay.
Wrong spelling wrong.
Okay,
Oh.
the next
Yung the next
Justin
na
Dominic
ha?
Villalon.
Kompleto,
Justin
kompleto.
Dominic Villalon.
Yeah.
Ayan, yan. Shaira na naman.
Sayang. Isang letra lang. Kainis, no?
So nervous po eh. Sige, pwede
Ito na lang.
pa.
ito na lang. Okay, let
Si Shaira, nanalo na eh.
explain, ha?
Once
the
ka lang-
correct
Ah,
the correct
good
answers
effort.
are Alex
effort.
Albon, George Russell,
Ross.
and
And
Lando
Lando Norris,
Norris.
yeah.
Okay.
Si Lando
Unang sumagot
Norris.
si Mr. Manalo, but he got the spelling wrong, di ba?
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry
So,
po.
congrats,
And the next-
Justin.
The next one who answered correctly was Justin Dominic Villalon. Okay.
Sana yung
So,
ito, yes.
Mr.
that's
Manalo,
it.
mukhang kinapos o sumobra ng isang
Sumobra
letter.
ng isang X po. Sorry.
Sumobra ng isang letter.
Sorry.
Sayang
Ah,
na.
Hindi po kami being
Pero-
being
Hey,
supported by Golf.
Sandali.
Okay, okay. Yam.
Sandali
yeah.
ha. Alex Albon
Oh.
is Alexander Albon.
Sahira na naman.
Alexander.
Hindi.
Alexander.
George
Meron sa
Russell.
taas, meron sa taas. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo sa taas.
Si Shaira.
Tama.
Si Shaira.
Hindi dyan. Baba pa dyan,
Si
baba.
Shaira.
So hindi si
May nakakuha.
Huh?
Justin Dominic
Shaira.
Villalon. Are we giving
Hindi,
up?
hindi.
Wala?
Sige pa.
Spelling ni
Sige pa.
Shaira.
Baba pa. Yan. Jasem Hassel Mariano.
Ah.
Jasem Hali. Okay.
So paano si Justin Dominic Villalon? Ano yun? All right, we have to.
Yeah, bigyan na lang natin
Yeah.
ng consolation prize kasi full name naman ang hinihingi.
Yes.
Alex
okay.
Albon is Alexander.
Sige.
Kaya
Ah,
si Jasem ang panalo.
yes. Justin will send you a gift for your answer na una ka. Kaso lang gusto talaga yung kompleto. So Jasem, Halister, Mariano, you won. Alexander Albon, that's correct. Okay, Jasem and Justin, please send us your details. Kay Justin, no worries, meron kang premyo. But we have
Yeah,
to
don't
consider
worry.
that one, yeah. So
Don't
we
worry.
have
Yung
to
complete
have
name.
a complete name. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so
Don't,
that's
don't
it.
worry, Justin. Sa mga future episodes ng The Purple Sector, mamimigay pa kami ng ganitong shirt.
Yep, we
So,
have a lot.
don't
We have a
worry.
lot. No worries.
We have a lot.
Yeah.
Don't worry. And more caps and more goodies from
Yeah.
Alpine Stars and Pirelli.
Ano yun? Sino yung nanalo sa ano? Yun,
Pag-lista na lang.
Jasem
Jasem
Halister
Halister Mariano.
Mariano. Okay.
Halister.
Pasend na lang ng details.
Carlos,
PM
kung nanalo
on
ba
our-
siya? Not this time.
Ah?
Carl, wala ka na
Okay lang yan.
panalunan, Carl.
Bawi next time, Carl.
Sunod.
Bawi next time. Bawi
Oo.
next time.
Kasalanan
Wala
ni
pumasok sa
PLDT.
atin kanina.
Kasalanan ni PLDT or ni Globe or ni sino ba? Mahina.
Okay lang yun. Dito nga, mabagal rin internet ko eh.
Ano to? Mayor Azalcon.
Ansusina.
Asusin. Alright.
Ano yan niya? Thailand name.
Thailand name. But of course, we all know it's Alexander Albon. Alright, guys. It was fun. So,
Jong,
Yeah.
may merong kaganapan sa comments.
anong kaganapan?
Mr.
Pwede.
Mariano
Si Jasem.
made a comment, di ba? Pwede naman kay Justin na lang po. I just copied their answers anyway. So, ano man to?
No. Pero Jasem,
Invite mo
ganito
lang,
kasi,
Invite mo lang.
ganito kasi, kahit nakopya mo yon, pero since nakuha mo yung gusto namin na complete name, di ba? We say complete. So, ikaw kasi yung nakakuha. So, no problem. Don't worry. Babawi si Justin sa susunod. Sigurado ako niyan. No problem,
Oh,
Justin.
yes.
Sigurado.
Yeah, Justin, we
Bilis
will,
ang linya mo.
we will send you. No worries. Just be surprised of what we're gonna send to you. Surprise!
Baka Gcash.
Yeah.
Kaya, Jasem,
Papa
you're the
Gcash
winner as
yung-
far as we know. Jasem.
Yeah, okay. So Justin, no worries. Just stay put. You have a surprise coming up All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining. So next time we're gonna make it more, we're gonna make it more exciting. So aside from that, Andy, yung mga questions natin lagyan namin ng for sure, ito yung dapat na required
Yes,
answers.
dapat talaga.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. Yeah,
Dapat
thank you so much for
super.
joining. Namatay ko sa CP ko. Nanalo po. Carl, ha? Carl.
Okay lang yan, Carl.
See you next review. That would be on Miami GP. So it's gonna be an early, if you wanna watch it live. Okay, that's great. Justin, thank you for another great episode, guys. Maraming salamat. You're welcome. See you in Miami GP. And guess what? Gunter is the ambassador for the
the
race. Oh, yeah.
That'll be fun.
He's living in America
nyo ng-
right now. So that's why.
Gusto nyo ng chika kay Gunter?
Yeah.
Meron akong
Shaira,
chika
thank
kay
you.
Gunter.
All right.
Welcome, Shaira. See you
Before we
next
go, unahin natin yung late. Andy, before we go.
Well, thank you for tonight, guys. Thank you, everyone, again for joining us for tonight's episode. Another fun one, another action-packed, more or less, race that we have. No, but yeah, thank you for joining us. We will see you again next time after the Miami Grand Prix, and of course, we will have much more in store, more prizes for you guys, courtesy of our friends Gulf Oils, Alpine Stars, and Pirelli. So do stick around for that. Until then, everyone, stay safe.
All right. Miles?
Okay, marami pong salamat for spending your Tuesday night with us, and hope you had fun, and also see you on Tuesday after the Miami Grand Prix. Okay, so in behalf of these three gentlemen, okay, thank you for watching. Thank you Gulf Oil, thank you Alpine Stars and Pirelli, and sa lahat po F1 PH live viewing community, maraming salamat din
Yes,
po.
thank you.
And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
All right. Yam.
Yes, thank you very much for joining us tonight. I hope you learned something. If not, I hope you were entertained. And just to let you know, parang sprint race rin yata ang Miami. So baka Saturday, Sunday, Monday, busy din tayo to watch
mahaba pala
the
to.
race.
Ah.
Well, anyway, yun. So, thank you for joining us tonight, and we have a lot of prizes pa. So, keep joining, and then keep commenting din doon sa Facebook page namin. Meron kami mga questions minsan sinisingit, and we will
Yep.
choose some winners.
Yep.
And then, wala pa ding nananalo doon sa mga predictions. So, meron na naman ulit tayong prediction. Check lang natin
Yes.
kung ano yung mga
Keep it coming.
mga results na gusto kong kunin. So, yun. All right. Thank you very much for joining us. Good night, and Jong.
All right. Congratulations dun sa mga nanalo. So again, Justin, we're gonna give you your prize. No worries. Maraming salamat. For those who are new with us, tell your friends about it. And of course, dun sa mga winners, if you don't have details yet, first time to win tonight, please send us a PM with your number and your address. We're gonna send your merch, whatever you want for tonight. So guys, tell your friends about it. Thank you so much for joining. Yam, Andy, and Miles, maraming salamat. And of course, to our friends from Pirelli, Alpine Stars, and Gulf, maraming salamat po. And to all the F1 fans, maraming salamat. We are here because you're also here with us. So we'll see you on the next race, that is the Miami Grand Prix, after the Miami Grand Prix on a Tuesday. So maraming salamat. F1 PH, live viewing community, don't forget, they have a lot of stuff in store. Huwag niyong kalimutan, that's the Emilia Romagna race pa. That's May 19. So guys, good night. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Good night, everyone.
Down towards the braking zone, 5 lights ahead of the drivers. Lights out! It's Mauricio! And Lance Stroll's car, and we have 19 on the grid then.